ARM creates 3 different sizes of Deco Beads. There's the normal size, there's extra large Deco Beads, and there's giant Deco balls. Hydrating these products takes more time. Deco Beads take about 24 hours. The extra large Deco Beads take about 36 hours. And to get the maximum size out of the Deco balls, you need to allow them to soak for 72 hours. Let's talk about hydrating Deco balls. The Deco balls themselves start off in a smaller size. They come assorted or in straight colors. They're like a little squishy marble. We place them into water, straight water, no floral nutrient water, and allow them to soak for 48 to 72 hours. Because of the way that Deco balls are manufactured and the way that they hydrate, some may burst. But Deco Beads make sure that they pack extra inside every jar. Deco Beads and giant Deco balls make sure you give yourself enough time to get the maximum size.